Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with a new snacks recipe, veg lollipops. To make this, we need two grated boiled potatoes. In boiled potatoes, add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 tablespoons finely chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoons chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoons grated carrot, 2 tablespoons grated carrot, 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander, 3 tablespoons boiled peas, 3 tablespoons boiled peas. You can add a boiled corn, sweet corn, 3 tablespoons. I don't want to add. Half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1 by 4th teaspoon garam masala, 1 by 4th teaspoon amchur powder, dry mango powder, salt to taste. You have to add dry mango powder half teaspoon. I had added just 1 by 4 teaspoon. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well. After mixing a bit, add 1 by 4th cup breadcrumbs. Now mix well again. Mix well till it forms dough like this. Take small bowl and add 2 tablespoon maida. 2 tablespoon maida. 2 tablespoon corn flour. 2 tablespoon corn flour. 1 by 4th teaspoon powdered pepper. Half cup water and mix well. Now take dough and make small balls. Make small dough balls and dip in the maida paste. Take the ball and mix it in the take the balls and mix in the breadcrumbs. Deep fry in a hot oil till golden brown. When they are finely fried, take it out from the hot oil. Now insert the toothpicks. My veg lollipops are ready. Thanks friends, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos and comment.